In today's fast-paced world, finding the right washing machine and dryer can make all the difference in streamlining your household chores. From budget-friendly options to top-of-the-line performers, we've scoured the market to bring you the best washing machines and dryers of this year. As always, we've ensured that all the product links mentioned in this video are listed in the description down below, so you can easily refer back to them anytime. Starting off our list with the budget champion, the small portable washer from BLACK+DECKER, available in various sizes from 0.9 cubic feet to 3.0 cubic feet, and the budget-friendly BLACK+DECKER BCED37, 3.5 cubic feet compact dryer. Packed with essential features and reliable performance, this duo offers great value without breaking the bank. Say goodbye to laundry day stress on a budget. The BLACK+DECKER small portable washer and its companion, the BCED37 compact dryer, offer efficiency and convenience without compromising on performance. The washer comes with various sizes from 0.9 cubic feet to 3.0 cubic feet capacity and is surprisingly spacious for its size. It's equipped with a pulsating system that ensures thorough cleaning while being gentle on your clothes. Plus, its compact design makes it ideal for small spaces such as apartments, RVs, or dorm rooms. Pair it with the BCED37 compact dryer, and you have a winning combination. This dryer may be small, but it packs a punch with its 3.5 cubic feet capacity and powerful drying capabilities. With multiple heat settings and a stainless steel drum, it efficiently dries your clothes while minimizing wrinkles. Both appliances are easy to install and operate, making laundry day a breeze even for beginners. And with their budget-friendly price tags, they offer great value for money. If you're looking for a compact washer and dryer that won't break the bank, the BLACK+DECKER small portable washer and BCED37 compact dryer are worth considering. Moving up to our list, we have the perfect mid-range washer and dryer combo to elevate your laundry experience. The General Electric's Model GFW 655 GE 5.0 cubic feet stackable smart front load washer with steam and smart dispense, paired with the GE Model GFD 65 7.8 cubic feet 12 cycle dryer with steam. This dynamic duo combines advanced technology, superior performance, and convenient features, making laundry day a breeze. The GE washer boasts a spacious 5.0 cubic feet capacity, allowing you to tackle large loads with ease. Its smart features, including Wi-Fi connectivity and compatibility with virtual assistants, enable remote monitoring and control for added convenience. The built-in steam and smart dispense functionalities ensure thorough cleaning and optimal detergent dispensing, while the ultra-fresh vent system with odor block keeps your machine smelling fresh. Complementing the washer, the GE dryer offers a generous 7.8 cubic feet capacity and versatile 12-cycle options to accommodate various fabric types and drying needs. The addition of steam functionality reduces wrinkles and refreshes clothes, while the choice between electric or gas heating sources provides flexibility to suit your home setup. Overall, the General Electric GE washer and dryer combo delivers exceptional performance, innovative features, and reliability at a mid-range price point, making it an ideal choice for those seeking quality without compromise. Say goodbye to laundry day hassles and hello to effortless cleaning and drying with GE. If you're in the market for an exceptional washer and dryer combo that delivers unparalleled performance and convenience, look no further than the Electrolux ELFW 7537 4.5 cubic feet stackable front-load washer, and its counterpart, the Electrolux ELFE 7637 8.0 cubic feet stackable dryer, where you have the option to choose your dryer heating source between electric or gas. Let's start with the washer. The Electrolux ELFW 7537 is a true standout with its 4.5 cubic feet capacity, perfect for handling large loads with ease. Equipped with steam and smart boost wash system, it ensures thorough cleaning and stain removal, leaving your clothes fresh and spotless. The Smart Boost technology pre-mixes water and detergent before the cycle begins, maximizing cleaning power and efficiency. Pairing perfectly with the washer is the Electrolux ELFE 7537 dryer. With an impressive 8.0 cubic feet capacity, This dryer can handle even the bulkiest loads, cutting down on drying time and energy consumption. The addition of steam functionality not only reduces wrinkles but also refreshes clothes between washes, saving you time and effort on ironing. One of the standout features of this combo is its stackable design, ideal for those with limited space. Whether you're outfitting a small apartment or optimizing your laundry room, the stackable configuration allows for versatile placement options without compromising on performance. In terms of reliability and durability, Electrolux has a well-established reputation for crafting high-quality appliances built to last. With their commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction, you can trust that this washer and dryer combo will exceed your expectations. For those seeking an excellent washer and dryer combo that delivers superior performance, efficiency, and convenience, the Electrolux 4.5 cubic feet stackable front-load washer and 8.0 cubic feet stackable dryer are a top choice. Don't hesitate to invest in these reliable appliances for a laundry experience that's second to none. When it comes to investing in a reliable and top-performing washer and dryer combo, look no further than the LG WM4000H 4.5 cubic feet ultra-large capacity smart front-load washer and its counterpart, the LG 7.4 cubic feet stackable smart dryer with steam. After extensive research and testing, we've found this combo to offer the best overall value for your money, delivering exceptional performance and innovative features that make laundry day a breeze. Let's start with the washer. The LG WM4000H is equipped with Turbo Wash 360 degrees technology, which utilizes powerful jets to thoroughly clean clothes in less time. With a spacious 4.5 cubic feet capacity, it can handle large loads with ease, making it ideal for busy households. Plus, its built-in Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to monitor and control your laundry remotely using the LG ThinQ app, adding convenience to your laundry routine. The washer also features built-in intelligence, which automatically detects the fabric type and load size to optimize water usage and washing performance, ensuring your clothes come out clean while saving on energy and water bills. As for the dryer, the LG DLEX 4000 offers a generous 7.4 cubic feet capacity, providing ample space to dry large loads efficiently. Its steam technology helps to reduce wrinkles and odors, leaving your clothes fresh and ready to wear. Like its counterpart, the dryer also features built-in intelligence, which automatically adjusts drying time and temperature based on the fabric type and moisture levels, preventing overdrying and reducing energy consumption. Whether you choose the electric or gas heating source option, you can expect fast and efficient drying performance every time. In addition to their impressive features and performance, both the LG washer and dryer are designed with durability and reliability in mind, ensuring years of trouble-free operation. With their sleek and modern design, advanced technologies, and affordable price point, the LG WM4000H and DLEX 4000 combo stand out as the best choice for those seeking a reliable and excellent washer and dryer combo without breaking the bank. Say goodbye to laundry day woes and hello to effortless cleaning and drying with this unbeatable duo from LG. From budget-friendly options to the absolute best, there's a perfect washing machine and dryer for every household. Choose wisely and make laundry day a breeze. Which one suits your needs best? Thank you for checking out our review. Find out more about these excellent products with the link provided in the description down below. If this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.